Hello guys, welcome to another SMCDAO tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be taking us on how to sell your dogs on Binance Exchange. So you open your Binance Exchange and then you move to trades. I click on trades and then you move to the sports tab. You don't go to the convert tab, rather you be on the spot tab. So I click on the spot tab and I click on sell. I make sure I am on the market order, not the limit order. Make sure you're on the market order so that you sell according to the market price at that particular moment. So I impute the amount of dogs I want to sell. I want to sell all. I'll make this 100%. Then I click on sell. Then you go to your wallet. You find out that you've sold your dogs for USDT. So this is how to sell your dogs for USDT. Thank you for watching our video today. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, and if you've been enjoying our tutorial videos, do well to buy our tutorial token, which is the WikiCat on the BSC network. Thank you. See you next time.